Hello friends, welcome to the TechListen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Thermaltake Turquoise and green variants of ToughLiquid ARGB Sync and ToughAir 510 CPU coolers. So friends, Thermaltake expand both all-in-one liquid coolers and air coolers by introducing new colored product ToughLiquid 240 ARGB Sync Turquoise Racing Green all-in-one liquid cooler and ToughAir 510 Turquoise and Racing Green CPU coolers. And friend, both are equipped with all-in-one liquid cooler with a built-in controller and rotational cap with 6 LEDs which can be controlled by 5V RGB compatible motherboards. And friend, the TOUGHFAN 12 is a superior fan with speeds of up to 2000 RPM and only 22.3 dB of noise signature, offering excellent silent cooling performance. And friend, the ToughLiquid 240 ARGB Sync Turquoise and Racing Green all-in-one liquid cooler is the best selection for users who are looking for a functional and good looking all-in-one liquid cooler. And friends, they both feature a single tower dual fan design and equipped with two optimized 120 high static pressure fan inspired by the TOUGHFAN 12 Turquoise and Racing Green. And friend, it also has 4 U-shaped heat pipes that run through a newly designed heat sink with asymmetric in structure, guaranteeing outstanding performance. So friend, if you like my video, please to like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.